Hello, welcome to Pipefy. In this video, we are going to present some of the main benefits that can be added to your maintenance process using Pipefy. After work with leading companies in their segments, we raised some of the difficulties in this process, such as difficult to establish deadlines according to urgency of the calls, loss of established deadlines for answering calls, difficult in selecting responsible for each type of maintenance, and communication failure. With Pipefy, you can automatically set deadlines according to the urgency of your maintenance, set SLA control, automatic select the responsible for each type of maintenance that you have, and automatic sending of call-related communications. This is the page of your organization, where you can find all the pipes that are the names that we call the process. In the left side here, we also have some other items, like the databases that are used to save information in your process, the reports, and the automations that are going to reduce the number of manual activities to do in your process. So let's open the maintenance request to understand a little bit more inside Pipefy. All the pipes here, all the process can be visualized in a Kanban view. This allows us to see all the phases, all the columns that you have here in your process, and for each one of the requests that we call it as the cards, where are each one of those requests in your process. To initiate a new request, we can open the start form and complete with some types of information that we have here. And Pipefy allows us to create different types of fields. This first one, for example, if we try to create this card without complete this information, Pipefy will not allow us. So this is a mandatory field. This way we can control all the types of information that needs to be inputted in your process. Here we need to select the place of service, also the type of maintenance, and the equipment type. And we have some different options here, and if we select like the Others option, we can also have a conditional field that's going to appear to describe this other option. This start form can also be shared in a public form. This public form is a very interesting functionality from Pipefy that allows us to share this with people outside your organization. All the employees can request a new maintenance for your company just having this link, just having this form. Let's create a new opportunity here to see this in our process. All the new cards, all the new requests are going to come in the first phase that we call it as inbox phase. In the left side of our card, we are going to find the information that was inputted in some previous steps. Once you move this card to the next phases of your process, you're also going to have a history here, recording all the information that was inputted for each step of your process. And in the right side, it's always the information that needs to be completed in the current phase of your process. So here we have like the request ID and the due date for this maintenance. At the right side here, we also have the activities that are being performed in this card. So the first one that we can see here is that Pipebot update the due date for the maintenance. So we created an automation rule based on the criticality of this new request that is going to update the due date for the maintenance automatically. After complete all the fields that we have in the first step, we can move into the second phase of the process, the distribute tasks. In this phase, we are going to assign who is going to be the responsible for this maintenance. Then, after select who is going to be the responsible, we can move for the phase in maintenance, where the maintenance is going to be performed. And after this, we can check this box here with if the maintenance was performed. We can insert the date of this performance and some observations to move our card for the complete service order phase. In the last phase, we are going to insert some more detailed information about the maintenance that was performed in this request. After complete all these fields, we can move our card for the maintenance conclusion phase. Once we move this card for this step, we are going to have an automatic email that is going to be sent to the requester to inform that this maintenance was completed. In Pipefy, we can also set some reports based on the information that we have inside our cards. So we can select all the columns that we want to see in these reports here. with all the fields that we have in the process and set the filters in the left side. Let's say, for example, that you want to see who is the responsible for each one of these maintenance and how much time does it take to complete each one of these requests. This way, we can create this type of report, selecting all the fields, all the columns that we need, that we want to see here, and applying the filters on the left side. So I will select the responsible is just Bill Gates. Once I set the filter, he's going to be applied, and I just need to save my report. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and this video. If you have any doubts or any adjustments in this process, please get in touch with one of our specialists or in our chat. Thank you. Bye bye.